What if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll discover AI tools that can literally save you 10 to 20 hours every single week? Imagine finishing your work before lunch, creating videos in minutes instead of days, writing emails instantly, and automating tasks you hate. The crazy part? Most people are still using ChatGPT for basic questions, while professionals are using these next-generation AI tools to replace entire workflows. Today, I'm revealing 15 powerful AI tools that are changing the way people work in 2026. And trust me, tool number 12 completely blew my mind. Let's get started. Tool 1. ChatGPT. Let's start with the obvious one. ChatGPT has become much more than a chatbot. Today, it can help you write emails, generate business ideas, summarize meetings, create marketing plans, analyze documents, and even code entire applications. Instead of spending hours researching online, you can get clear answers in seconds. If you're not using ChatGPT daily, you're already behind. Tool 2. Claude AI. Claude is perfect for handling huge documents. Need to summarize a 300-page PDF? Claude can do it in minutes. It's also excellent for writing natural articles, reports, and business documents that actually sound human. Tool 3. Perplexity AI. Forget searching through 20 Google tabs. Perplexity searches the internet, provides verified sources, and gives direct answers instantly. It's one of the best research assistants available today. Tool 4. Notion AI. If your notes are a mess, Notion AI organizes everything automatically. It creates summaries, meeting notes, action items, and project plans without extra effort. It's like having a personal assistant inside your workspace. Tool 5. Gamma AI. Need a professional presentation? Gamma builds beautiful PowerPoint-style presentations from a single prompt. No more spending hours arranging slides. Tool 6. ElevenLabs. Need realistic AI voices? ElevenLabs creates human-like voiceovers that sound almost impossible to distinguish from real people. Perfect for YouTube videos, podcasts, and audiobooks. Tool 7. Midjourney. Need stunning images? Midjourney creates professional quality artwork, product images, thumbnails, and marketing visuals using simple text prompts. Graphic designers now finish projects in minutes instead of hours. Tool 8. Runway ML. Runway is changing video editing forever. Remove backgrounds, generate B-roll, edit videos with AI, even create cinematic effects without expensive software. It's one of the biggest game changers for content creators.